All right, so this is just a quick video here. If your trunk is having issues as far as closing, or it doesn't detect it properly, or it doesn't work on the key fob and it automatically opens, basically, the things that you have to change are these right here. Let me show you. All right, so you got these pieces right here you have to change. In order to change it, you got to take this off. There's a cable that runs that way. That all connects to each other. You'll come from this angle here, and that's how you'll pull it out. This whole angle here on the side. And if these lights don't illuminate, see these lights? If they don't illuminate, you have a bad actuator, because you also need a good working actuator in order for your dash light trunk to not illuminate. The reason it illuminates and it's locked is because your actuator is bad. So you got to change out the actuator. So in order to get to all this, what you have to do is you have to pry this open these, this side and this side. You have a couple screws here. You have these you just pop off. You have a screw here. And for this, you'll have a screw here and one up top right here. And same on the other side. You have a screw here on the back and one up top. And then you'll have a screw here for this bottom piece. You'll have a screw here. You'll have a screw here at the bottom. You'll have another screw here at the bottom. And you'll have a screw here. So you have 4 screws for this bottom piece. You'll have 2 screws for this piece. You'll have a screw here to remove this. You'll have 2 clips to pop that out. And this one just comes right out. You'll have 2 screws here, one here and one on the back. And then these, you can just pry a little bit and you'll be able to get to it. And it'll be a real simple job. You'll be able to pull the wires out from here. You just pull it out. You'll fix this shock and fix this shock, and that will allow it to automatically sense. And like I said, if you have that light in there, make sure you change out the actuator, because the backup camera won't work if you have a light illuminated on your dashboard that says your trunk is open, but really your trunk is closed. All right, so if you guys have any other questions, feel free to drop comments, and also make sure to subscribe for new updates and so forth and so on. Appreciate it.